Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is IoT based garbage level monitoring over internet using Node MCU and ThinkSpeak Cloud. So here we are using Node MCU ESP8266 and the GSM SIM 800L we are using for SMS alert Google Map location, and the GPS module for we are getting the exact latitude longitude value, 16 cross 2 LCD display to monitor the levels, level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, like that. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 RS enabled, D4, D5, D6, D7 data lines, and HCSR04 ultrasonic distance measurement module we are using. Trigger it is connected with the D6, echo it is connected with the D7, GPS it is connected with the D8, RS 0 and 1. So here we are using Node MCU. ThinkSpeak Cloud we are using. So in the ThinkSpeak Cloud we are going to monitor the level 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that we are getting the. So here we will give you, we are getting the value, numeric value, 5%, 10%, 20, 30, like that percentile we are monitoring. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using an bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So Node MCU ESP8266 module, 16 cross 2 LCD display, and this is a GPS module, and GSM SIM 800L we are using. So if you open this, we are using Airtel SIM card. So now I am giving the power supply. So here also I am giving the power supply. So here I am monitoring the data onto the ThinkSpeak Cloud. Okay. Yeah, I am giving the power supply. IoT garbage level monitoring using Node MCU ThinkSpeak. So here the GPS is one blue color LED is there. So if the blue color LED is blinking, we are getting the latitude longitude value. So now I am providing the internet through this mobile. Project 1234 is the user ID and password. So now the garbage bin is empty. So it will show you the garbage bin low. So the numeric value it will come as a 0. So once a GPRS will send, we will get the value as a 0. Now it starts with 0. Okay, 0. Now I am adding some particles on that. Yeah, 20%. Okay, so we will get the value is 1, level 1. Through this internet we are sending the value. Okay, so 5% it was full, garbage bin 20%. Okay, 40%. So the value will 10, it will come as a 10. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. Yeah, value came 20. So here also 0, 5, 10. Okay, so it came with 60%, 80%. Okay, the value will come 20. Came. Okay, so here also increased. Okay, yeah, garbage bin 60%. Okay, garbage bin full, so it came 30. Yeah, here also it came 30. Okay, we will get one SMS alert. We will receive one SMS alert. till now it not came. So once it's reached, it will send one SMS to my mobile number 709190, garbage bin full, please collect the dustbin, with Google Map location. Okay, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded. So we can without GSM GPS, we can simulate on Tinkercad also. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded. Again, I am removing. I am connecting. Yeah, just now I am received one SMS alert. Okay, it's not came. Initialized successfully. Now garbage bin is full. Okay. Okay. It will showing on LCD message sent. Garbage bin full.